If you think America's history is only about division, struggle, or one-sided stories, you are missing a deeper truth. Behind the scenes, both Black Americans and white Americans shaped the nation, not just through conflict, but through hidden contributions that changed the world. Today, we uncover those secrets. Studio microphone secret number 1, the system of success. White Americans and European settlers helped build backhand index pointing right structured systems, backhand index pointing right industrial planning, backhand index pointing right modern business rules, backhand index pointing right organized governance. This became the foundation of the modern economy. But at the same time, Black Americans contributed something equally powerful. Backhand index pointing right resilience under pressure. Backhand index pointing right survival mindset in extreme conditions. Backhand index pointing right determination to rise despite barriers. Together, these two forces shaped America's success culture. Studio microphone secret number 2, the idea of freedom. European and white American thinkers introduced backhand index pointing right democracy, backhand index pointing right constitution, backhand index pointing right rule of law. But Black Americans pushed this system further by demanding backhand index pointing right equal rights for all, backhand index pointing right justice without discrimination, backhand index pointing right human dignity in law. This pressure helped transform ideals into real laws. Studio microphone secret number 3, education revolution. White-led institutions created backhand index pointing right universities, backhand index pointing right research systems, backhand index pointing right structured education models. Black communities, despite struggles, contributed backhand index pointing right the belief that education is survival, backhand index pointing right powerful movements for equal access to schools, backhand index pointing right motivation that education should belong to everyone. Today's global education system is a mix of both ideas. Studio microphone secret number 4, leadership styles. White American leadership contributed backhand index pointing right government systems, backhand index pointing right military organization, backhand index pointing right corporate structures. Black American leaders contributed backhand index pointing right peaceful protest movements, backhand index pointing right moral leadership, backhand index pointing right community unity and social awareness. Modern leadership today combines both styles. Studio microphone secret number 5, hidden influence exchange. The real secret is this. Backhand index pointing right, these two groups influenced each other over time. Systems brought order. Struggles brought awareness and humanity. This balance shaped modern America. Studio microphone secret number 6, Black Americans in politics. Today, Black Americans are part of U.S. political leadership. Backhand index pointing right Barack Obama, first Black president. Backhand index pointing right Kamala Harris, first Black vice president. Backhand index pointing right many senators, Congress members, and governors. This shows a major shift in history from exclusion to leadership. The real secret of America is not division. It is combination. Backhand index pointing right structure plus struggle. Backhand index pointing right system plus humanity. Backhand index pointing right order plus equality movement. When these forces came together, they reshaped a nation. If you want more hidden history stories like this, subscribe to the channel. Because history is not just what we are told, it is what we discover. Fire if you want next step.